السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أيها الطلاب الأعزاء، كيف حالكم؟ كيف أخباركم؟ هل أنتم في الخير؟ نعم الحمد لله. هل أنتم مستعدون للدراسة؟ نعم ما شاء الله. ماذا ندرس في الدرس الماضي؟ في الدرس الماضي ماذا ندرس؟ هل فهمتم؟ Yes. في الدرس الماضي ندرس هذا المنظوم ألف سلام. In that poem we discussed about the village, a beautiful beauty of village. Today we can start the lesson unit 3 الوحدة الثالثة. اليوم نبدأ وحدة الثالثة. احذر المواقع. وحدة الثالثة احذر المواقع. المواقع معناه ويب سايت. وحدة الثالثة احذر المواقع. In this unit has 2 lessons. انقروا للفلاح. It is a drama. مسرحية. آداب التواصل. It is a poem. منظوم. In this unit 2 lessons, one of the drama and a poem. مسرحية ومنظوم. انظروا للفلاح. درس أول انظروا للفلاح. Then next page you can see the next page. هل ترى هذه الصورة here. هل ترى do you know, do you see this picture? What is this picture? ما في هذه الصورة. Yes. What is the message? What is the message of this picture? ما هو رسالة هذه الصورة? You write in your notebook and send to me. ما رسالة هذه الصورة. In your textbook has a picture. The page number 41. ما هو رسالة هذه الصورة. What is the message of this picture? Please write in your notebook and send to me. We can read the drama. انقروا للفلاح. انقروا للفلاح. اللوحة الأولى part 1. يرتفع الستار. curtain raises على المسرح on stage. حجرة الجلوس. on stage arranged a sitting room. حجرة الجلوس sitting room. حجرة room. الجلوس sitting room arranged on a stage. فيها كراسي. That on this stage كراسي. كرسي جمعه كراسي chair. وملة table. on stage a chair and a table. عليها جريدة ومجلات. on the table جريدة ومجلات. جريدة جمعه جرايد newspaper. ومجلات article. الأم تجلس. أم sitting على كرسي on chair. وبجوارها ابنها. her son near to her. These are arranging in stage. Curtain raises. We can see on stage a table and a chair, and on table some newspaper and articles, and Umma, mother, sitting on chair and near her her son, near to her. Fuad is a son of this mother. Ummu Tajlisu, here Fuad is a son. The first dialogue is of Fuad. Mashiyan alal masrahi, walking on a stage. Mashiyan alal masrahi. This dialogue telling through walking on stage. Min faliliki ya mama. Mama, ummi. Call mama. Min faliliki. Please ya mama. Please ummi. Indi tolabun. I want something. Ummi, I want something. Ana muta'akidun. I assured. Ummi al-Hanun. My beloved mom. My beloved ummi. La tarfalu talabi abadan. Didn't reject my need. Ummi didn't reject my need. I want something. Ummi didn't reject. Please don't reject my needs. Al-Umm Mubtasimatan, with a smile. She tell with a smile. Hakkan ya bunayya. Hakkan, sure. Oh dear son. Hakkan, sure. Dani asma talabaka. I hearing. Please tell me. I hearing. Tafallal, tell me. Fuad, Farhan. He was happy. He is happy. Mama, Ummi, Sodiqi, my friend Anwar. Hasal ala tawsili internet. Tawsil manahu connection. Internet connection. Tawsil internet connection. Sodiqi Anwar, my friend Anwar. Hasala ala, my friend Anwar got Tawsil internet connection. My friend Anwar got internet connection. La'allahu sayufuquni fi safi. La'allahu sayufuquni fi safi. He will be head of in class. Al-Umm Maziratan ya bunayya. Sorry dear son. Maziratan ya bunayya. Dear son, sorry. Maziratan, sorry. Mal faidatu min fadlika. What is the uses of that? Mal faida. What is the uses? What is the uses of internet? Amma fazat shaqiqatuka Selma. Haven't your sister achieved bidarajatin aliya, higher success, biduna shabakatin, without network, without internet? Your sister passed with higher success without the internet. Wasalbiyatuha adida. There are lot of demerits. Of internet. Fuad, mal huzn with sad. Ya ummi. Malaki, what happened you? La tasqina bi. Trust me, ummi. Trust me. Sa'astafidu min ijabiyatiha faqat. Sa'astafidu. I will use. Sure, I will use min ijabiyatiha faqat. Its only merits. I will use its only merits. Ijabiyat manahu ijabiyat, merits. Then is opposite selbiyat. Ijabiyat opposite selbiyat. Selbiyat merits. Al-Umm mutam'inatan ibnaha. ലൈസൽ അമ്രു അമ്ര സിഖത്തൻ യാ വുൽദി. ലൈസൽ അമ്രു അമ്രൻ സിഖത്തിൻ യാ വുൽദി. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് നോട്ട് എ മാറ്റർ ഓഫ് ട്രസ്റ്റ്. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് നോട്ട് എ മാറ്റർ ഓഫ് ട്രസ്റ്റ്. ഹൽ ഇൻതസ്ത അമ്രുൻ ലറീറിയുൻ. അമ്രുൻ ലറൂറിയിൻ ലക്കി ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ദ മസ്റ്റ്. It is it internet is must? You have must the internet? Fuad biraja with hope. Nam ya mama. Biraja with hope. Fuad telling with hope. Yes mama. Nam. Ummi. Nahnu fil asri raqmi. Nahnu we fil asri raqmi. We are in the digital era. Asr era al raqamiyya digital. Asril raqamiyya digital era. We are in digital era. Sufufuna, our classrooms, tahawwalat kamilatan ila sufufin zakiyya. All of our classrooms are become the smart class. Okay, sufuf zakiyya, smart class. Sufufun zakiyya manahu smart class. Our classrooms are become to the smart class. Alum. Ida sa'attasilu biwalidika abral hatifi inshallah. Ida sa'attasilu biwalidika. I will contact with your uppa, your father. I will contact with your father abral hatifi through the phone call inshallah. Inshallah, I will contact with your father by phone call. Fuad min fadliki please shawiri al walid, please discuss with your uppa. Please discuss with uppa. Satajiduni inshallah min ad-darisina al-mutawaffiqina. Satajiduni, you can see, inshallah you can see min ad-darisina al-mutawaffiqina, in group of learning students. You can see me in group of learning students. Sure, I will assured you that I am learning in higher level. نتخيل المحاتفة التي دارت بين الأم والوالد ونكملها. Here a phone conversation. Muhatafa, phone conversation. We prepare a phone conversation with umma and uppa. Al-umma. Please listen here. Fuad said to his mother, please discuss about our internet connection with our uppa. And that at that time umma calling his father. And natahayyalul muhatafa, we can imagine that phone conversation allati dara bainal ummi wal walidi, in between father and mother, vanukammiluha, and that is the, let us fill in the blanks. Here walid, al walid wa alaykum assalam wa rahmatullah. Walid telling here wa alaykum assalam wa rahmatullah. At that time, what said the mother, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Al walidu replied wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Al then they started the conversation with salam. Then after that umma said about the needs of Fuad. Fuadu yahtaju tawsilu internet. Fuad yahtaju tawsilu internet. Fuad wanted internet connection. Fuad wanted internet connection. Mada rayuka. What is your opinion? What is your opinion of about the internet connection? Fuad wants to the internet connection. What is your opinion? tell me. Al-Walid replied. Here Umma asked about the internet connection. Fuad yahtaj tawsil internet. Mada ra'yuka? Then replied Al-Walid, replied the father, Hal huwa yahtaju ila al-internet haliyan? Hal huwa yahtaju ila internet haliyan? Al-Ummu يقول فؤاد هو ضروري للدراسة. يقول فؤاد هو ضروري للدراسة. Then asked about internet connection to Umma الوالد. كيف كانت نتيجته في الامتحان؟ كيف كانت نتيجته في الامتحان? How is in his examination? How is in examination? Your father asked about his examination to his mother. كيف كانت نتيجته في الامتحان? Then replied Umma الأم لا بأس فاز في كل موضوع. No problem. فاز في كل موضوع. He passed in all subject in high marks. لا بأس, no problem. فاز في كل موضوع. Umma replied the question of father. كيف كانت نتيجته في الامتحان؟ لا بأس فاز في كل موضوع. الوالد هل يستخدمه فيما لا يفيد؟ هل يستخدمه فيما لا يفيد؟ الأم وعدني. He assured that أنه لا يستخدم فيما لا يفيد. أنه لا يستخدم فيما لا يفيد. أنه لا يستخدم فيما لا يفيد. الوالد قولي tell me له أن يضع الكمبيوتر في حجرة الجلوس. له أن يضع الكمبيوتر في حجرة الجلوس. Then Umma الأم نعم إن شاء الله. نعم إن شاء الله. مع السلام. Conversation wind up with salam. مع السلام. Here we read the first unit, first part of drama. Some new words, alfalun jadida. Here hujratun. Hujratun room. Hujratun room. Mutaradifuhu urfatun. Hujratun mutaradifuhu urfatun room. Hujratun ghurfatun room. Listen here. Then hujratul julus. Hujratul julus sitting room. Hujratul julus sitting room. Hujratul julus Hujratul julus sitting room. Here listen. Hujratun ma'nahu ghurfatun. Hujratul julus sitting room. Then minladatun. Minladatun table. Minladatun table. Minladatun table. Hujratul julus sitting room. Minladatun table. Then tawsil. 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 Tawsil internet. Tawsil internet. Tawsil connection. Internet connection. Tawsil connection. Then shaqiqat. Shaqiqat. Shaqiqa. Shaqiqatun sister. Ukhtun. Shaqiqatun mutaradifuhu ukhtun sister. Shaqiqatun sister. Then salbiyatun. Salbiyatun jamuhu salbiyatun. Salbiyatun salbiyatun jamuhu salbiyatun. Selbiyatun merits. Selbiyat merits. Milladatun table. Tawsil connection. Shaqiqat sister. Selbiyat merits. Okay. Then Ijabiyat. Ijabiyat. Listen. Ijabiyat demerits. Ijabiyat demerits. Demerits. Ijabiyat jamuhu ijabiyat demerits. Selbiyatun opposite ijabiyat. Selbiyatun opposite ijabiyat merits. Selbiyat merits. Ijabiyat demerits. Then safun jamu sufufun classrooms. Safun classrooms. Safun jamuhu sufufun classroom. Sufufun classroom. Okay. Then zakiya. Here ila sufufin zakiya. Zakiyat smart class. Smart classroom. Zakiya Zakiyat smart. Sufufi Zakiya smart class. Okay. Then you write in your notebook Alfalun Jadida the phone conversation between father and mother. Okay. Then the next part of drama. We can read the next part of drama. Al-Lawhatu Saniya. Al-Lawhatu Saniya. Alal Masrahi. Then Alal Masrahi on stage. The first part of the drama is finished. Then Alal Masrahi on stage. Urfatun Mutala. Urfat room. Hujratun manahu urfat room. Urfatul mutala study room. Mutalaat study room. Urfatul mutalaat study room. Fiha kursiyun. Fiha kursiyun wa kutubun. Books and chair. Wa murattabatun fi raffi. Books arranged in a shelf. Books arranged in a shelf. Raff, shelf or rack. Ala tavilati on table computer. On table computer. Talharu ala shashatil computer. Safhatu Facebook. Talharu appears ala shashati computer. On the computer screen. Talharu ala shashati computer appears on the computer screen. Safhatu Facebook. The Facebook page. Yajlisu Fuad amamahu. Yajlisu Fuad sitting amamahu in front of that computer. Wafi wajhihi asarul mafraha wal masarra. Wafi wajhi in his face appears the happy and enjoyment. Fuad, the first dialogue here. Fuad yakulu fi nafsihi masha Allah at-tawsilu jahizun. Internet connection is ready. Okay. He got the internet connection with the recommend of mother to his father. Mashallah, at-tawsilu jahizun. Internet connection is ready. Facebook, Dardasha, WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram. He yakulu fi nafsihi at-tawsilu jahizun. Facebook, Dardasha manahu chatting. Facebook, you know, Facebook, FB, Dardasha chatting. Dardasha manahu chatting. WhatsApp, you know, WhatsApp, you familiar word, the WhatsApp manahu WhatsApp. Twitter, Twitter, and Instagram, you know, Instagram. Yes, the manahu Instagram. يقول في نفسه يقول فؤاد في نفسه ما شاء الله توصيل جاهز WhatsApp Facebook Instagram Twitter and دردشة معناه chatting. تدخل سلمى entered سلمى المسرح on the stage to the stage وتقول غالبة. He said loudly. تدخل سلمى المسرح. Selma entered to the stage and she tell loudly. She said loudly. Selma. Fuad ماذا تفعل؟ Fuad ماذا تفعل? What are you doing? وماذا تقول? What are you saying? ماذا تقول وماذا تفعل؟ Fuad. Selma asked to Fuad, ماذا تفعل? What are you doing? ماذا تقول? What are you saying? He replied, Fuad, أقوم بتحميل بعض الصور والفيديو للمشاطرة مع الأصدقاء. صديق جمعه أصدقاء. أقوم بتحميل بعض الصور. أقوم قام بي أقوم بتحميل بعض الصور. I am downloading some photos. بعض الصور صورة جمع صور photos والفيديو video. I am downloading some photos and videos للمشاطرة مع الأصدقاء for sharing with my friends. Fuad replied to Selma, أقوم بتحميل بعض الصور والفيديو للمشاطرة مع الأصدقاء. I am downloading some photos and videos with sharing with my friends. Selma أنا أكوي الملابس. Selma told to Fuad أنا أكوي الملابس. I am iron the dress. I am iron the dress. هل لا تساعدني على كيها؟ هل لا تساعدني? Do you help me على كيها to iron? Do you help me to iron? Fuad لحظة يا سلمى. لحظة يا سلمى. 1 minute سلمى. 1 minute please. 1 minute. أنا مشغول. I am busy. Fuad said to replied to Selma, I am busy. Selma asked to Fuad, do you help me to iron? At that time Fuad replied to Selma, I am busy. Selma, I am busy. Here an activity. بعض الحصول على الحاسوب وتوصيل الإنترنت. بعض الحصول على الحاسوب وتوصيل الإنترنت. كتب فؤاد اليوميته. كتب فؤاد يوميته. He writes a diary. أعدها من خيالك. أعدها من خيالك. Please you prepare that diary. Okay. And here the diary writing the first the date and month and year. Okay. And we write the diary. Here listen here. Listen. Then first some new words. We write the new words in this part. Urfatul Mutala sitting room. Urfatul Mutala sitting room. Mutala sitting room. Okay. Urfatul Mutala sitting room. Dardasha chatting. Dardasha chatting. Urfatul Mutala sitting room. Dardasha chatting. Then tahmeel tahmeel downloading. Tahmeel downloading. Tahmeel downloading. Then mushatarati ma'al asdiqai. Mushatarat sharing. Mushatarat sharing. Mushatarat sharing. Sharing the videos with my friends. Sharing. Mushatarat sharing. Then mash'ulun busy. Mash'ulun ana mash'ulun I am busy. Mash'ulun busy. Mash'ulun busy. Please write in your notebook the new words. Urfatul mutala study room. Urfatul mutala study room. Dardasha chatting. Tahmeel downloading. Mushatarat sharing. Sharing. Mash'ulun busy. Mash'ulun busy. Then we prepared a diary. Yawmiyat diary of Fuad. Listen here. Listen. We prepared a diary. Here the date November 16th, or here date tarikh here October 4th. Here day Friday. Yawmul Juma Friday. Friday in 2020 Miladiya. Okay, October 4th Yawmul Juma 2020. The first line, I wake up the early morning. Okay, or I wake up in the 8 o'clock. Istayqaltu. Istayqaltu fi saati samina at 8 o'clock. Fi saati samin Swabahan. Fi saati samin Swabahan. I wake up at 8 o'clock at morning. 8 a.m. I wake up at 8 a.m. Then sha'artu bishiddati tabi. Bishiddati tabi wal malali. Sha'artu bishiddati tabi wal malali, because I am too tired with the chatting and with the computer. And we write the next sentence. Asiltu, I bath. Asiltu, I bath. Waqtarabtu ila computer. Waqtarabtu ila computer. Waqtarabtu ila computer. Computer. വക്തറബ്തു അസിൽത്തു വക്തറബ്തു ലി ഇല കമ്പ്യൂട്ടർ ലി ദർദശ ഓക്കെ ഇല കമ്പ്യൂട്ടർ ലി ദർദശ ഫോർ ചാറ്റിംഗ് for chatting. Then you write the baki. After that the sentences have you write the asiltu waqtarabtu ila computer li dardasha tanawaltu at-ta'am wa dhahabtu ila al-madrasa mutakassilan with laziness. I am going to school with laziness. Then after that some works and to return to home and then mushtagilan fi computer fi Facebook, WhatsApp, etc. You write the diary yawmiyat of Fuad. Prepare the in your write in your notebook. We can read the drama. Here Selma asked about some helps of Fuad, but Fuad replied to Selma, I am busy. Tarubu Selma anil masrahi. Tarubu Selma. Selma disappears anil masrahi from the stage. Watadkhulul umma entered to stage. Selma disappeared from the stage and Umma entered to the stage. Wataqulu, she said, Al-Umm, Ya Fuad, O Fuad, hal intahayta min mudhakirati durusi wal bahis? Hal intahayta min mudhakirati durus? You have nothing to study or nothing to learn. You have nothing to learn. Wal bahsa, you don't have to doing homework. Umma said to Fuad, are you learning or doing homework? Fuad, Taban, yes, ya Umma, yes, I am doing homework. Tarubul Umma disappears. Watadkhulu Selma al-masrah. Selma entered to the stage bi khutuwatin bati'a with slow steps. Wataqulu bi sautin munkhafilin. She said in hushed voice. Munkhafilin, hushed voice. Selma, mudhakara bahasa. Umma, mudhakara bahasa. No, he is not doing homeworks and learning, studying. The Fuad fi Facebook. Here Fuad in Facebook. Fuad, you have ilaqu bisuratin. Fuad suddenly off the computer. Saimtul bahas. Fuad said to Selma, tired of learning. Mundu kam saatin ufattishu. How long I have learning. Mundu kam saatin ufattishu. How long I have learning. I am doing homework. Walam ajid hattal an. I haven't seen to it yet. Selma, maskharatan. La tukhfil haqq. A Fuad, don't hide the truth. Wa'atal umma bistikhdamihi fima yufidu. Wa'atal you promised to your mother bistikhdamihi fima yufidu, using the for good. You promised with your mother use the for good. Fuad, qumtu bitahmili suwari faqat. Qumtu bitahmili suwari faqat. I just download some pictures, some photos. I download some photos. La shay'un duna dhalika. Nothing more than that. La shay'a duna dhalika. Nothing more than that. Ya ukhti, O sister. La tukhbiril don't inform to umma. Analan ukarrir, I will not repeat. Faqat, I will not repeat. Yarub Fuad Anil Masrahi. Fuad disappear from the stage. Here one activity. Arsala Fuad Rasailun Qasira ila asdiqaihi. Fuad send a short message. Rasailun Qasira SMS send a message to his friends. يعبر فيها عن فرحته ومسرته نعدها من الخيال. Please prepare that in your imagine. He here he is with happy and enjoyment. أرسل فؤاد رسائل قصيرة. Here a short message SMS. Send an SMS. Fuad send a SMS to his friends. Fuad said to his friends, لقد حصلت internet connection. لقد حصلت I got على الكمبيوتر وتوصيل الإنترنت. كمبيوتر وتوصيل الإنترنت. I got internet and a computer with his recommend of his mother. Here حصلت I got حصلت هذا بواسطة الأم. حصلت هذا I got this computer and internet with the recommend of mother. هذا من مواسطة ummi, my mother. Then minal walid harraba hakada inda walidatikum. Harraba hakada inda walidatikum. It is a message to his friends. Then write in your notebook the alfalun jadida wa rasailun قصيرة. هل فهمتم هذا المسرحية؟ إن شاء الله we can read the after some pages of this مسرحية, this drama. إن شاء الله see you on next class. السلام عليكم.